Today we're diving into the features of the Britax Willow S infant car seat with Alpine Base, a rear-facing car seat designed with ClickTight Technology for secure installation in the RightSize system for a custom fit at the hips, shoulders, and between the legs. This car seat comes with an Alpine Base featuring a ReboundReduce Stability Bar to minimize movement during rides, ensuring your baby's safety and comfort. The SafeWash car seat cover and insert are naturally flame retardant and machine-washable, making cleaning a breeze, while the UPF 50+ protective canopy with a flip-down visor offers sun protection during your travels. Compatible with Brook Plus, and Grove strollers, this car seat makes transitioning from car to strolling seamless and convenient. The quick push latch connectors lock into place with a click and are easily released with the push of a button, storing neatly within the base when not in use. With its space-saver design, it frees up backseat space while providing your child with ample room, and the plush harness padding and infant insert pillows ensure a comfortable ride. So, if you're looking for a car seat that combines safety, convenience, and comfort, the Britax Willow S might just be the perfect choice for you and your little one. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.